In this video, I will show how to lock columns and cells in Microsoft Excel. So firstly guys, select entire worksheet, then right click on it and here click on format cells. Now here click on this protection tab, select default is selected, unselect, then click on OK. Now click anyway. Now select the rows and column which you want to lock. In my case, I want to lock these rows and column. In my case, I want to lock these cells in Excel. So select it, then right click, click on format cells. Now here select locked in protection tab. So check this box to lock these particular cells, then click on OK. Now here click on this review tab and here is the setting, protect sheet. So make sure these both options are selected. Also guys, you can enter the password. So select these both and enter password if you like, then click on OK. So this is the method you can lock column and rows in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.